It is the Tuesdays, the best day for chaos. Welcome to your Daily Dose of Chaos. In today's episode, VRA webcam. Welcome, everyone, to another VRA webcam dev stream. Oh, yes. And thank you, Twitch, for not wanting to boot up the stream either. On my page, there you go. Thank you, Twitch. Had to refresh the page. But yeah, how y'all doing? Hopefully y'all doing well. I'm currently in the stream VC on my Discord server, so if you want to chat with me, you know what to do. Simple as having a bird right in front of you. There you go. Hello. We make stuff. Hello. Boy. Me. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Who's Big Fox? Hello. Welcome all. And Locke. Welcome all. Hopefully everyone's doing good. Before starting the stream, I should probably mention something. Like, I have an announcement to make. You might have seen it on Twitter and stuff. And then you have to download the image now because I actually just copy pasted it. Not dang it. Where is it? There it is. Save image. Whichever one. Whichever folder. Where is it? There. There. And that should be it. Alright. Let me just get the image quick. Good, this is an important announcement. I got a 3D printer yesterday. Nice. Be nice. Very happy to hear that. Hopefully you have fun with it. Anyway, little announcement. So, today is a special day. On this 22nd day of the second month of 2022, on a Tuesday, I hereby declare that on this once-in-a-lifetime occasion, the official number representing this special day shall be You like it? Yes, I hereby declare that number 2 shall be the official number of this special day, of this 22nd day of the second month of 2022, being a Tuesdays. What have I done? I had to do it, alright. You are rooting for 5. Alright, oh yeah. Rooting for 5, what are you doing? Just flip this 2 upside down and it's gonna fix it. You can have 5. Literally, you flip this like mirror upside down, you have 5. There you go. Or that as well, you flip a... Yeah, it really works as well, yeah. But vertically too. Both ways. Whatever ways. It's gonna end up as 5. You do you. But yeah, special day today. They just do's everywhere. It's the 2 of the 2 of the 2s. Of the 2-2. The 2-2-2 of the 2s. Because why why did the 2 try to be a 2 here? Because a 2 can. Okay, let me just go open up Unity and start working on the webcam. What have I done? Oh boy. What a good start. What time zone am I in? I'm in the EST. Where's the VR webcam? There it is. By the EST time zone. I'm Eastern. A bird from the East. And I feel like I've got a sneeze that's coming up, but it... You know what it wants to see, but it doesn't sneeze. Yeah, that's what I feel in my nose right now. It's horrible. So you still need to hit 2222. Oh god. Oh no. Oh. What is that? Yeah, that is like 3 hours or something. Actually, while UT opens, I've got the best idea. I'm gonna schedule a tweet. I'm gonna schedule a tweet. I don't even find it in this, but I'll sneeze. Maybe. I grab it. I don't want to sneeze, but it doesn't sneeze. Ah! Oh. It wants to sneeze, but it's horrible. It doesn't sneeze. Kind of horrible. By doing so, it clogs up my nose. Now my nose clogged. Dang it. My nose gets clogged. Ah! What's happening? Wash my cleaners. Oh, so dude, something before that's a well, a few more hours till that time is hit. Oh boy, Unity's still opening, by the way. Let me just quickly mute my mic for a sec. Dang, my nose is stuffed. Unity's still opening, so I have time to actually do something. Yeah, Unity's taking a little while. I think it might be open now, but okay, yeah, it's open. But let me just finish that little thing. It's gonna be a beautiful tweet, believe me. It's gonna be beautiful, but also scary. Oh boy. Oh dear. Oh no. Okay, who this? Hey. Sorry, Smith. Hey, thank you for the raid. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How are you, Cerise? Or in French, Cerise. Raid! A beautiful raid. I guess this gives me time to finish my 22 hours, 22 minutes, 22nd of the second month of 2022 tweet. I guess I can print myself in the meantime. So, yeah, for people in the raid that don't know me, hello, I am Mike the Bird. I am a content creator. I am a game dev that does everything by himself. When it comes to the code, when it comes to the 3D assets, the animations, the font, the music, the sound effects, everything done by myself. Everything is the air done by me. And yeah, that's what I do here. I do games and content creation, as you see here. And yeah, today it is planned to work a bit on the VRA webcam, which is a VTubing webcam using trackers. And it's close to be like having a prototype released, so that's the target for soon. But apart from that, I game on Fridays, and I have a series out on Mondays where I make the Avigen. It's super sick. And I even still have it open, I think. Yeah, I do have it open there. Let me actually switch to that screen quick. Thank you for the raid, for the follow. Birds. That's only right. And yeah, I went to Ferrari. I mean, I only did like the booth at Ferrari once. It was for Legends, but I plan to have another booth at Ferrari this year. And this time, not just to showcase my content, but to actually promote something. This boy here. That I call the Avigen. Which is a mix between a bird and a progen, which I plan to sell as an avatar base for people to use, modify, things like that. So, yeah, and I have a series where I make it on stream. Well, some things I make off stream because that's like a lot of work. Like just the talents here took an entire 5-hour stream. So, yeah, I'm making a bit off stream too, but on stream too. And yeah, I'm gonna sell that for Ferrari. That's gonna be sick, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I have other series like Avatar Mondays, which is that. I have Creative Sundays where I make avatars on, well, not avatars, but get a different things like Creative Sundays. Just be creative. And on Fridays, my gaming stream. So yeah, I'm just finishing up a meme here. That's why I'm hiding the screen a little bit. But yeah, welcome all the readers. I shall welcome you all to this beautiful stream where I'm just finishing up a meme here for later tonight. Oh, thank you for the 150 bees for the bird toasters. Thank you for the support for the BTs. Yes, indeed. Bird toasters. You first had toasters, now you have bird toasters. Nightbot's also a toaster apparently as well, because Nightbot's a bot. Are you really a bot, Nightbot? That's the age-old question now. Okay, where's my 2 second? The outline. Quality content I'm making here for later tonight. It's gonna be posted later tonight. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Trust me on that. Trust me on that one. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful. Is that gonna work? I think that's gonna work. Yeah, that seems to be good. Okay, let me quickly visible. Copy this and place it on the tweet. and schedule it for 22nd of 2022 February at 10. Is it 9? No, wait. 22 is gonna be 10. 22 minutes. Confirm. Schedule will send on Tuesday, February 2nd, 2022 at 10:22 p.m., which is, well, 22:22. Oh dear. And schedule. All right. Tweet ready. Oh boy. Thank you for the idea. Who gave the idea? Let me check it back on. Coffee makers to make stuff. Thank you for the idea. Now there's gonna be an official tweet on that exact timestamp. So stick for it. Oh boy. What have I done? You give me crap ideas, I realize those crap ideas, whatever it is. And that's true. I am currently as well on my Discord server. So right now my VC is open for everyone. It's gonna be locked up for trusted people in the future, but for now, if you wanna chat with me on stream, then feel free to join the Discord VC on the Discord. So yeah, my mentor has been an agent for free. Ah, really? Sorry. Really? Yeah. Interesting. So I'm guessing you're interested in this avatar then. Stick around then, because it's gonna be sold as a base, and you'll be able to purchase it. It's gonna have like loads of different packages for different games, loads of details implemented, custom shaders, custom models, custom everything. Mostly everything, but at least everything I can make myself, I'll make it. Just stick around for that. In the meantime, it's gonna be a webcam time. So, as context, let me switch to whatever this is, Unity. So this is my VTubing webcam I'm currently deving on, which is quite the task, I'll admit, to actually code and everything. But hey, it works quite well, not gonna lie. So far, we just organize a bit my windows because I closed some stuff. I can put and pull this out. Okay, good, nice. Okay, so webcam time. Parlay time. And right now, this is the webcam. Great, I'm dead. Hey, what happened to you? What did you do? Why are you in the ground? Yeah, I know you want to eat the floor, but maybe there's seeds on there, but come on, why are you there? What did I do to deserve this? Is SteamVR still messed up? I feel like SteamVR messed up again. Hold up a minute. SteamVR trackers, minutes trackers. Of course, arms with a hide with iced tea. Dang it. But let me just quickly fix the tracker thing, and I'll be right with that. The trackers. But why is it always descending to hand in hand? Waste. All right. Let me restart Unity, I guess. In the meantime, while this restarts, I'm gonna go grab a can of iced tea. And also, I'm gonna have to stop that music as well, because, you know, I'm gonna pull up the actual playlist. And we're gonna can of iced tea. From my very handy mini fridge. How many iced tea deems, did you, dear Lord? Perfectly fine with me. Anyway, let's have a little moment of silence, please. Ah, refreshing. Best iced tea is the best iced tea. The iced tea is the best iced tea. Safe boy. Not any modification still. Well, okay, hold up a second. Playlist. There. All right, music playing. Okay, good. Back to Unity. Boy. Indeed, boy. Hey, Dev. Okay, will it work? No. Okay, restarting Steam VR then. Steam VR being drunk tonight. Okay then. Bye-bye, webcam. And I guess I can save, I guess. There you go, it's saved. Morning, Dev. You know how to read now. Hi, Dev. Hopefully you are good. And I forgot to put in my tracker. Great. Oh dear, wait. Does my webcam keep shutting down? Please stop shutting down. Open. Thank you. Will that work now? There we go. Okay, so just TV being a little on the drunk side, but yeah. I feel okay on my PlayStation 2. I have good. How are you doing? Doing good as well. Yeah, thank you very much. Wait, for the people that came from the raid, this is my webcam right now. I call it the VRA webcam. VRA is the acronym of my actually custom avatar system, which is very similar to VR chat and can be built kind of like VR chat, but is more like in simple file format. Like it still has a lot of work to be done on, and I still need to like find ways to encrypt the avatars and things like that, the proper protection for it. But the system in the back end like works quite well. Like these are all avatars built with my system. I could just load avatars dynamically like that. Hurt the boy. Wait, all of these. Hi. All loaded using my own custom avatar system. But of course, because my avatar system is not going to be released with the webcam initially, I've implemented the ability to actually load VRMs. So for example, I've got my VRM here. Bang. That way you don't have to like hit your head on a wall because you don't have any avatars that work with it. You have avatars that work with it now because you have VRM. And I think they also work with yeah. I made the compatibility with like controller, kind of like what VMagic Mirror does. So yeah, I still have some fixes to do. Like for example, if I do my joy and my expression, the blink still applies, and that's something with a default script for VRMs. So yeah, I'm gonna have to tweak that. Hey Austin, hello. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Alright, anyway, backgrounds. So last Friday, I started working on the backgrounds. And I made the default backgrounds because they use my own custom system. Yeah. So I started working on my custom background system and like implementing like things here. But because it uses the VRA system as well, I can't actually really use it here either for the first release, because, you know, it's not secure enough. So I've implemented default backgrounds. Like one here, the simple sky, to just like a quick sky. Some hill backgrounds, why not? A little dark room. Yep, there it goes. And there's a studio dim and then a studio bright. And I play studio dim first because that's what works best with the VRM shaders. And the rest works pretty fine. And fun fact as well, there's a feature here in this that's called Dana Lights. You can change like off would have monitors off or monitor only, so that shows like the actual monitor of the screen. And Dana Light, which is very interesting, because if I pull up like a bright window on my screen and I like full screen, you'll see that my screen gets brighter. Which is very interesting. Dana Lights. And as a proof, I can like go to my editing software. And also I gotta quit something here, I just noticed. Before disaster happens. There you go. If I pop like a new quick FE document here, and I full screen this, you'll see that it's green. If I fill the whole thing with red, it's gonna be a red light. That's here is gonna be a blue light. And things like that. Does it show? I think the VRM shaders does not actually really show it too much. But the room does reflect it a little bit. So that's yellow, that's blue. You can see the background change that bit to blue. But I think with my other avatars, it shows a bit better. So if I were to choose this one. Yeah, this one, because it's the VRM shader. Yeah, this is like a pure blue background. If I like put my screen to red, you see like the whole thing becomes red. If I put yellow, it's gonna become, ow, my eyes. If I put it green, if I put it blue, and if I do it like a rainbow effect, so if I take this and then I change the hue like that, like it reflects exactly what is on your screen. And if also, fun fact, if you have like green on the left and then red on the right or something like that, that's also going to reflect. So if I were to do like this, yeah, I think that shows a little bit. Now like it's pure green, and then I've got like one half that's blue, one half that's green. Like if I go over there, I'm green. If I go over there, I'm blue. Gamer lights. The only like little issue with this is that it does lag a little bit. OBS. That's the only tiny problem. But you're blue, and if you were green, I would. I mean, I'd be sick, most probably, but. Dang it. Gamer lights, gamer lights. Yes. Anyway. So there's multiple things. I might start a poll on what exactly to do. Because there's multiple things I could actually do. Where is the poll button? There's the poll button. New poll. What to do? What can I do? Like, there's already like a decent, like, good backgrounds, I think. What else could be done? Huh. I could make because those backgrounds are actually not remembered, so I need to do the same thing. So I think I'm gonna do that like first and then do something else, because that's something that I feel like is gonna be quick enough, just like the VR Remembrance. Let's see. So what to do? What is possible to do before the release? What did I propose last time? I forgot what I proposed last time. I want to propose pretty much the same things. Huh. So burgers are done. Yeah, there's tutorial to be done. Start making the tutorial. What else? What else? What else? Huh. I could make like a reset camera button or something. Or camera presets. Camera presets. Yeah, camera presets I think would be good. For the free cam. For the free cam, like desks, like I would have a button for like desk camera, like to have like that specific desk camera. But for the free cam position presets. Or placement presets. What else can be done that would be useful? Like what do like if you're in the chat and you want to propose like a feature that maybe I have not think about with the webcam, throw it in the chat. I'm open for suggestions as well. Because I don't want just my ideas, of course. I'm gonna probably forget like loads of other things. So yeah, for the initial release, what like the bare bone features, what could be there? What do you think should be there? What I think about the other things. You have no clue. I mean, I'm talking about like VTubing webcams, not physical webcams. Davey. Dave. Kicked up the. Anyway, let me see. What could be done? Fix the blinking, I guess. There you go. That's one. I'm running out of ideas right now. Yeah, I guess I could start with these and see what to do after. So, starting the poll. All right, people voted. It should be on top of the chat. Just unroll it and start voting, peeps. While I continue with whatever this thing it is. So remembering the background, that's gonna be the angel thing. Scripts. It's gonna be the which one? Avatar, no, it's save manager. Save manager. There's a save manager. So it's opening right now. Absolute banger. Okay, so far those are people that voted for the fix the VR mood blinking. Okay. Well then. There's still time for people to vote, so place your votes down. Like ideally, I'd have to have like 2 different ones being voted on. At this point, because The mood blank, I'm not sure if that's gonna take too much time, but I might be wrong. But that's why I put it, because I'm not sure if it's gonna take forever or it's gonna be short. Also, I just noticed system audio was not on.
What to do? I don't know what to do.
For 40 minutes. Did no one notice that there was no music?
Wait, there's no music?
Did seriously no one notice there was no music? And no one told me. Chat.
Nobody in chat told you there was no music.
Yeah, right, Dave. Yeah, Dave, right. Yeah, right. I understand. Yeah, right.
Well,
Well,
time to time out everyone. Just kidding.
Well, I'm replaying this. But no, go back to that song. Screw it. No one heard it. So for half an hour, I was speaking without any music. So better redo my presentation then. Hey, hi, people. It's me, Mike the Bird. I do stuff. I do game.
Does it all over again. Wow.
So you tell me that I got rated with no music either.
No music at all. I think I wasn't there. So I was watching a different streamer.
Chat, you have failed me today. You have completely. Austin.
And I also see Austin, the water in the Tahaya.
You felt me so hard, it became nighttime. I had a power outage in my studio. Dang it. Come on. Yeah, well, I guess it's on my end for forgetting, but still. And anyway, I think the webcam one, fix the blinking, surprisingly. So I will fix the backgrounds first, add the save for the backgrounds, because that's a big priority, and then fix the blinking. But yeah, you blacked out.
Good.
Good. And yeah, Austin, I heard about. Might I do it under drop? Should I do it just out of random, or should I just do it on the drop?
I'm just currently munching on food. Let me guess, I'm gonna rethink that.
Nice, so cute. The cuteness. I guess Austin, Yeah, you failed me as well as the rest of the chat, so that's why the overlay was there. To disappoint you in your in your failed attempt of mentioning Dev was too music. Punishment. Alright, back to the... You're not here for the music. What are you here for then? For the dev process? Or for me? Aww. Goodbye.
Objection. I find Austin guilty because he didn't tell you that there's no music playing.
Blackout. It's not just them. It's the entire chat.
I know. Also, I forgot to mention this is not Ace Attorney Phoenix, right?
Austin says I'm able to laugh in someone else's misery of Unity and enjoy the fact that I never to touch the program again. Well then, you know, it's always fun laughing in other people's misery. But understandable, have a great day.
All the cuties in chat.
Walking doggle. It's I walk doggle. Anyway, the background, the default background should not be like super hard to implement. Like it's the exact same thing as the VRM thing, so I'm gonna save that and go regenerate this. Wait, a walking doggle while watching someone dev. That great. Amazing. Try it. Keep going.
I was supposed to go do some job projects today, but then it was raining today.
For you, it might have been rainy. For us, it just rained ice pellets.
So there's just snow outside for you?
Not just snow, but like ice pellets. What's the name of them? Like, well, it's not just snow, but
oh, hail.
Hail, yeah. Thank you, my English.
Like,
but yeah, it hailed outside.
like, to be honest though, like, we did have a hailstorm here in Visalia once in California.
On Quebec, we have them all the time.
But it never happened again. I don't know why.
Yeah, well, I mean, also tell you a story. It's like, I think it was yesterday. I came back from work. Like there was a lot of like snow that day, and a lot on the roof of the car thing that you put around your parking area near your house. And I came back just to find out that the entirety of the way leading from the sidewalk to the door was covered in in a massive pile of snow. Because all the snow from the roof of the car little roofing just fell on that little path. So I had to dug my boots deep in the snow. My socks were all wet. It sucked just to go to the door. It sucked to get to the door.
I know that feeling because one time me and my family went to a national park where we camped out in the cabin while there's snow all around, and we were walking in the snow while we were far from the cabin, so we had to take a long far walk while my feet were ice cold with my socks soaked in ice cold melted snow.
Oof, yeah, that sucks.
I hated it. Like I wanted to get my feet warm so badly. Like I was also scared that I was gonna get a frostbite too on my toes.
Ah. Let me with this. Okay, I need to check if this is a valid scene though. If do I have a? I have a fail. No, I do have a failsafe somewhere. There, this one. Yeah. So when I go, I'm gonna do here. Save manager. Dot background settings. Dot is default background equals true. As default background path equals scene path. Ouch! What are you? Like in Antarctica or something? Jeez, that's freezing.
Alaska.
Alaska, that's also an option. Okay, so what caused this? Easier. So the late
My
start.
feathers.
So it's trying to get the selected one. Okay. If
Yeah, about Alberta. Oh.
Alberta, okay, yeah, that explains it.
But at times when there's like rainy days or rainy days outside for me in California, I just like to stay indoors and stay warm and just relax.
Alright, let's start the thing. Alberta to switch. To which I only have one question for my limited knowledge on how things work. Cocker, you have in or in Mountain. So that should be it. And coming from boot to string. Oh. Bam. Bam. Ah, right. Technically, that should be it.
I'm gonna go get myself some BRB.
Okay. Okay, well, let's see if that works. So. There's my background here. Background. Maybe select, I don't know, Studio Dim. And also load the VRM, because that's what people are going to use. There you go. Alright. Let me check something. Okay, good. So that's gonna be working. So I'm gonna use this background. I'm gonna quit play mode. re-enter play mode, and technically this should still load the dim background. Dang it. Oh, that did not work. Notepad. Reload. Is the background false? Last background path 0. If I press this, reload. Still false. Okay. Let me reload this. Dark room or whatever one. Off. Bam. It did not write to it still. Huh. And look at my notepad, and it's not written. Like it's not being written. So I might be doing something wrong here. Boo. I should do print or whatever one. Is default background. So, is default background. Alright, and this should tell if this is gonna work or not. Why is the notepad so big as well? Please reduce your size. Ah, no! Why did it pick up? Why did it pick up my browser? Excuse me. Windows, please. Thank you. Alright, let's see. What prints? Is the background false? Okay. So background. So he tries to go there and read it, so that's fine. If I restart, in theory, it should... It's still false, so it's not writing to it. Oh, you know what? Because I'm doing... the load scene one. I need to do the other one. I need to do this one, load scene button M. Which is public. Why did I not see it? There's one else I feel that non-static. What? What the heck? What? An object reference is required for the non-static field. This is not static. Oh, you know what? That's why. That's why. I can do the other one, because the other one is static. This one is not. So I might do a public static void. With that code in there. But wait, no, I can't start a coroutine from static. can't know. That is problematic. Do I have an instance? Yeah, I do have an instance. Okay, that makes it easier. So I can do instance. Got routine button M, and then just pass in this. And that should work. I'm gonna save that. Yes, blackout unit alarm. Yes, I know. Routine button, and just do this one instead. There you go.
I forgot. I forgot that my re is an alarm.
Alright. Let's see if that works now.
You make a beer with some Portuguese donuts, aka flows.
Are you addicted to those now?
Huh?
Are you addicted to those now?
The what?
Are you addicted to those now? It's the third day in a row you're talking about these. Don't do a sugar rush on me. Anyway, so let me see. So let me load a background. Alright. Close this off and restart.
Wait, you need the flash. I need to do the flashbang again.
And it failed. The background
Great
bundle
job.
the background bundle at the specified path does not exist. What the heck am I calling? Hold up. Did I call the wrong one? I think I called the wrong one.
Might have.
I called the wrong one. Well, that would do it.
Austin, going on a sugar rush is just because like when you like eat sugar, it gives you like boost of energy and then tires you out after.
Let's see. Hey! Alright, background loads. Good.
Oh. Oh.
As a proof, let me change background. Close off the game. Open this up. Bam! Background saved. Yeah, the saves, the background saves. So if I were to like go back to one of my other backgrounds, so this one for example.
Hey, background.
And I don't think it actually, I've never seen it to false, no. So I need to set it to false now. Yeah, so that, like, I wrote the wrong thing here. That's why it didn't load last time. But, yeah, now I have to set it to false. So, that will be in, well, I mean in there.
Me and Austin are literally just talking about sugar rush.
Because it's been the third time we talk about whatever that candy is. Or that pastry
That's not
is.
candy, it's Portuguese donut.
Whatever.
That's a Portuguese donut, you uncultured swine.
Hey, listen, I'm not Portuguese, you uncultured burb.
Wait, isn't a swine actually a bird?
It's a bird, yes. It's a swan,
Okay.
by the way.
Swan.
Swine is something else. But is it a bird? I don't remember. But anyway. Let me check. So, loading button. So that's fine. I want to load the background. So this one. Right? And I will do a quick reset of these variables then. Over here. Let's set it to false. Like that. Now that should be reset. So it's still gonna load one of the default like backgrounds, so that's gonna be the dark room. Just to be safe, I'm gonna go to this one and open up my VRM2. There you go. Close this off. Open it back up. And it should load perfectly in this one. Perfect. Now let me change the background to like that one. Close off. Reopen. Bang. Alright, so the systems are interchangeable. So there's a default background system and a custom background system. There is a VRM system and there's a VRA system. All implemented. That's dope. Yeah, and Blackout, yes, Swine's a pig. Actually, I kinda wanna change the background as well to one of the default ones. This one, there you go. Anyway.
Max Security.
Stop.
No.
Okay, so now that this is implemented and fixed, now it's time to do what the people voted for, which is surprisingly, well, fix the blinking on VRMs.
Oh yes, the blinking. Wink wink.
Because what's going on here, if I quickly do that, and remove this to show better. And yeah, what's happening right now is that you see like my eyes blink. There you go. They blink. But the problem is when I include a mood in there, like I could like this. Is this actually? Dang it, not lock. Hey, nice lock. So yeah, what happens is that when I play one of these, the blinking still applies, which is a bit problematic as you can see here. So gotta find a solution for that.
Gotta find a way to have the blinking stop when it changes to that mood, which involves having the eyes closed.
But also this one, you can kind of see it kind of glitches out as well. I'll see if I can catch a frame that it glitches out. I wonder if it works with the pause mode.
Oh, that's lag.
I mean, I'm using pause mode here, so I could go over there and just... You can see my tracker there. And... I want to get the tracker... Okay, get the tracker second, not the other side. Dang it. It seems
It's like you're playing games with yourself.
Seems like I won't be able to get the blinking by just... There you go. Okay, yeah, you can see how it glitches out. Like that. Like, whatever expression I need to stop the blinking, because that's gonna happen. And yeah, you can also see the monitor I was talking about. Hi, monitor.
Oh, hi, monitor. Oh, is that holy shit, that big screen.
You working on the monitor. Monitorception. But so there's a monitor. But yeah, the plan today is fixing the blinking. For VRM. How would I do it? Because if I press play and go and check the script for it. Let me check. Like, I'm trying to override these two here, but they're being communicated through using a blinking script, the blinker here. And I already tried something last time, which was like to increase the interval to something completely ridiculous, but that didn't really work. And reducing the close time also does not work. Opening second, like if I put all these to 0, like it doesn't work. Okay, now they're just completely closed. There's a lot going on here, and I checked that script actually, and it's not something I can actually go in. It's not an example script. It's actually like one of the default scripts somehow, which causes issues. Like if I go to the blinker script. It's not. Never mind. Yeah, so this is recognized as a MISC file. Why is it not? I think it could. Yeah, something glitched out. Hold up a second. Where's the blinking? Blinker! Why is it opening as a MISC file? Ah, because it's through a package. Alright, because it's a package, I can't actually modify it. Because at the moment I'm gonna modify it, it's gonna try to override again. I can't actually modify the package. It's just gonna try and update and it's gonna break the blinking again. Ah. Would there be a way? Yeah. Jeez.
Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I guess I could like make my own blinking script. That's the burp.
Wouldn't it be a good idea to like add like a blinking toggle?
What do you mean by a blinking toggle?
Like a toggle, where it'll have your avatar blink every 30 seconds.
Isn't it what the blinker script does? Like, isn't that already implemented? What the hell? Like, isn't it already implemented?
I don't know. It's your project, not mine.
Well, look, Blackout.
I see.
Why do you want to add a blinker on top of a blinker? That's not how it works.
I mean a toggle.
Like, you mean a button to blink? I mean, I have that on my current webcam, so I wouldn't see that specific idea. I don't think it's an issue.
That's literally me face palming.
Hey, listen, you say a script, a toggle that lets you blink for like each 30 seconds. Well, isn't it what it does already? Of course I would be confused. Anyway, let me close this. Not in package. Why is that? Like this whole thing's a mess. Let me package this. No. We need to open this. Look for that. I see you playing with a glass of water or something. Noise cancelling maybe. Back up.
No. JK. I was waiting for your reaction there, but it didn't work.
VR. Cam, Did you see for like a blinker script? Like I really need to add that like on my VRE system itself, like some kind of blinker script to like have a custom blinker with parameters and stuff. Okay, let me see. All right. Uh-huh. God, you never was like a random. Huh. Wait, where's this script gone? There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna have let's say can it blink twice actually with the VRM one? I could make it like script itself like a special thing, like with a random, if a random true. It blinks twice. I can start from this bit here. So unblend shapes are into. Where is that variable stored? Huh. And using RM. All right. That should be good. I would copy paste here. I need it about the same structure here. Just at least the minimum there. Start getting that and then start coroutine, then coroutine. So I don't need a start to an update. Private generator. Blink coroutine. Public will think any true. What's the request here?
Excuse me.
Yeah. So, wow. True. There's a null just for now, so it doesn't break. Nice. Blink routine. Why is it still blink routine? Ah, it's called blink routine. Ah, that explains it. So while true, if blink enabled is, well, disabled, and do a while while blink is not enabled, you return. I wonder if like that will hit that. That works. So it's gonna wait as long as blink is not enabled. Hey. I can make also a public bool that. blink. Okay. I can duplicate that line. Force next blink. Like that.
Wait.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Hit the bird.
I don't want to force an X-Wing actually. I want to maybe have like a button to actually hold it. Like here I can like either blink fast, or I can like hold it to actually keep the eye closed. So I could rename this whole thing to is force closed. Force close. And undo force closed. There you go. Skip next blink, force close, unforce close. Unforce. There you go. So that script is gonna like it's gonna take. All right, is that blinker? Yes. Delete the blinker and put this instead, and that will handle the blinking. So I could do a just a test. Var time equals 0. For random, sorry, random equals. I'll just say 5 for now, I guess. And let's see, so like for the goals time, open time. All right. So while I go to random, I can do time equals equal time dot delta time. And time dot delta time. And up, random equals what's value? Produce a random number between 0 and 1. Interesting. I didn't know that actually. So I want interval minimum and interval maximum. That's what the random's gonna be. And I could do as well if force close. I can do time plus time equals random. There you go. That way it's gonna ignore the bit here. Okay. Now that's the weight. If that or skip next blink. I think that would make it skip fine. Okay. So now the blinking itself, I'll do a so while input back time equals 0. And while time is smaller than open time and is not skip next blink, actually that's not gonna work. If it is not skip next blink, then do that wall. There. So while time smaller than open time, what's the thing I need to get? Immediately set value. So the value. So I can do a lerp from 0 to 1, and the time would be time divided by open time. Actually, close time. Close time. Time plus equal time without time. And a quick nugget here. So that's gonna close the eye. And I can do here, if it's force closed, then I can just wait like that. close the time. As I can do this as well. I guess I can do this. Time back to 0. Go ahead and close the time. Okay. That's gonna be the way from doing it. Keep closed. Enforce closed there. And then I can set this value over here. Just 1. And finally, I can just copy this whole thing. Of course, time to go here. And where's my open time? 1, 0. And set this to 0. And of the if, you return null, goes back all the way to the top, times 0, random again. And while blink is not enabled, then just pause here. Then it's gonna run the timer here, the initial timer, until skip next blink. Or force close this on. We're gonna set that to random, which is gonna end the wall. We set time to 0. Go to skip next blink, and I just realized I really need to adjust my setup because now he did not see any of the code I wrote. Really need to adjust my setup here. Okay, let me redo the from the top. So I wrote this whole bit here off the screen because I'm a dumb and I forgot that my setup is a bit problematic now. Like there's also a thing like my whole setup is like that just to avoid like I open something by accident that should not be opened and things like that. Like it happened multiple times in the past. I don't want it to happen again because I'm sick of going back in the editing and exporting everything because it also impacts the audio quality. So trying to be careful here, and that's why I have that set up. I need to like one specific for Visual Studio, or like a panel, like a button for like the Visual Studio panel or something. That could be useful, I think. But yeah, so what do I have here? A blinker routine with 2 values, a time and a random. And a whole while true thing, which is the entire routine pretty much. I first set the time to 0 and then set a random time from the random interval that I've set. And then I'm doing a test. If the blink is enabled, it is. If it is not enabled, then while it's not enabled, just return null in loop. So that way, it's never gonna blink. And then while, like if that the blink is enabled, at the moment it becomes enabled, then it's gonna start a timer here. So unless like the force close or skip next blink is on, which is gonna completely skip the timer, it's gonna add incrementally with return null until it's done. And once that's done, reset the timer, and then we can start blinking. So while time is load and close time, slowly close the eye. Then return null. Let's say to 1 just to be sure it's fully on. Then reset the time, and while the close time, like closed time is there. That way we can know the eye is like at least closed for a little bit of time. After that, I've got the same thing as I had at the beginning, but with force closed. So if it is force closed, that means like the user is holding the button, which means, well, it's force closed. And as long as it's force closed, it's gonna loop like that. And then once, if that's not on, or the one the user releases, time equals 0, and while the open time is the exact same thing as here, it reopens the eye, pretty much. If, oh wait, I might actually add like, is force closed, and while is force closed, and not skip X, or blink enable actually. So while both of these are enabled, can you return? There you go. Okay, so yeah, skip next. And make enabled. There. So that should be the blinking coroutine. Default values. So now I need to actually add in that blinker instead when loading the VRM. So let's see. Where is it? It's this one here, loaded. Look ahead. Where's the blinker? Blinker. Is there any references to that? Find out references. VRM custom blink. There you go. Now I just have to go and fix loads of stuff. Oh boy. Ah, that's the thing that did not work here. There you go. That's fixed. This one here. Wait, what? Let me put enable where? Okay, let me save this and continue looking for more. Find references. Okay, not too bad. Okay, so let's see. Does my script work? That's the age-old question. Let's press play and see if I broke it. As per usual, I probably broke stuff. It is not blinking. Never mind. It's not blinking. Blinks. Okay, so it does, but it doesn't reopen. It does not reopen. Huh. What is... Oh, I inverted that. That's why. Force close, I want this like that. And this can be shorter. Alright, so 0.1 second, I think that's a good balance. So let's see what happens to the eyes. Come on. Hey! It blinked! I'm guessing if I were to do this, it would still blink by itself. Yep, okay, it still does. Because I still need to add that code in somewhere. Somewhere. So yeah, at least that's something. The blinking setting fixed, so that's good. How might you even like shorter blink? And I wonder. Yeah, we need to like should have like a double blinking feature. And we need to go and add a another animator. Yeah. Take this, place it there. I don't want to copy, I want to cut. Cut this, paste it there. Wait. This coroutine. Did that work? How did that work? Wait, why are you not working? I need to do a return. That's why. Gotta wait. Yield return. That. So it's gonna wait for this. And if random dot value, let's say, is bigger than another float. Range 0, 1. Public float. Double link chance equals, let's say the chance for it is maybe 15% chance. So random value is smaller than double blink chance. And this and this. This. Another year return. Okay. So now it can double blink. But now I need to implement it with the rest of the buttons. So background. Actually. Outer loader. I need to actually get this and redo it again. So yeah, this is like, if these are like valid, then I have to do mloaded dot mblink dot blink enabled equals false, else blink enabled true.
I'm gonna move over to my MacBook BRB.
Okay. And now where are... Okay, yeah. What are the inputs? I got open clicked. Where the heck did I put the input? Somewhere in there for sure, though. Probably somewhere in the VRM stuff. Actually, yeah. Over here. Let me actually copy this whole thing, paste it. Link management. Close eyes. Pressure. Toggle. Eyes closed. I don't need this. Okay, and blip.
There we go. Now I'm back.
Hello. Hey, what I got?
Turning on noise reduction because you know.
Yeah, with your potato quality audio.
Potato quality audio. It's Apple's fault that they made the AirPods potato quality audio. So yeah, I'm just talking through a potato.
Okay, so I can access it. Yeah, I can access downloaded dot blink dot force close. And toggle eyes opened. What is the name of that variable? Gosh. Unforce close. Alright. Open. Right. So if context started. Close. If context dot cancelled. Toggle eyes opened.
I just let's breathing in here.
Hey, potato quality is very potato, huh?
But it's also best that keeping the SNES out.
Yeah, that makes sense. So the thing is,
quality.
it's so potato quality that the usual volume I put you at is so quiet. Hey, let's see if the blink is working. I don't want to get a sphere in my head. I want to modify the blink. So where is the blink? There is the blink. Oh, I check custom blink. So right, only blinks once. Let me actually reduce the interval. Like that. That way it's gonna be more often, and I'll be able to better see. Let's see. Hey, double blinks as well. Aye, nice. But another moment of truth. Will it fix when I actually apply my eye? 3, 2, 1. There you go. And open up. There you go, it fixed again. Alright, well, that's a fix. Now, the only drawback to this whole thing is that now, if I do something like this, where it's not super noticeable, it's not gonna blink anymore. At least for the bigger ones, it does fix it. But it's still a bit unfortunate. What happens if I do it mid-blink? Okay, I need like a constant amount, so 1 second. Alright. Okay, so it does glitch out at that time, but honestly, it's such a low chance to happen. The chance is so low for that to happen. I think it's good. It does a good. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. So now the question is, can I actually make the eyes close? Now I've got my excited here. But
Alright.
yeah, usually the B button is like when I blink. But yeah, now I have to add the button for that. Do I have the button for it already? Let me check. Where is it? It's somewhere around overlay avatar, I think. Where the heck would it be? Data switcher, no. Brilliant, but okay, it's right there. Let me check. Okay, I don't have it. Okay, I might add that in. Okay, I might add action. A link. And that binding, I don't know where I want it to be actually. Because those the other ones are taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of them are taken. On the regular buttons, so that's a bit problematic. I don't know. I mean, I could just keep it like that for now. Without a specific button. What button would I add that on? I don't know. I think for now I'm just gonna remove it. And keep it like that. I think I'm gonna do that. One thing I wanted to do actually is like I did not put it in the votes because I forgot about it. But that's an interesting thing I'd want to add for people that don't actually have a VR setup. I want to add some kind of default like movement to the avatar, like a default animation when VR is off. So let me check. I want to see how I could add that. Because that would be interesting, at least for people that don't have the setup to actually set up the tracker. Have that. So let me check on the avatar itself. I want to check on this avatar. VRIK. So I know this is gonna bring me back to some kind of T-pose. It does. Okay. What happens if I do position weight of the head? Would I might just want like rotation? I guess it would be good. I could also disable rotation and then use a look at instead, like a big old look at with yeah, many options. There's my tracker. Hello. But I need to change my little infrastructure there to actually allow for that. Hmm. I wonder.
I wonder.
Hmm. How would I add that? Maybe in here. Let me check if that works. So look at this. What? Ah, because it's in the other scene. There it is. Huh? Where?
Yawn.
Spine, chest, neck, head. As a group, what's gonna happen there? Look, and I kind of want like some kind of default animation too, and not just that. So, yeah, at least the head like that works. Hmm. So I might do in here into
Or
yeah. Should I do it in webcam setting or application setting? I wonder, because that would be camera resolution.
just help me with it.
I wonder.
Just snuggled up.
Eh?
I'm just snuggled up in bed.
I know.
Too cozy, Adam.
Public. If you're too tired, then just go to sleep, man.
As long as crisp, it just blocks out the snoring.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to be active here, and there's a stream running, you know? And you're kinda here just being in bed. But, you do you, I guess. So, public, what was I doing? Right, tracking method. Tracking method, alright. None. And then I'm gonna have tracker. Mouse, I guess. think that works. And I might add a webcam just in case I want to add in the future, like a physical webcam. If I can implement that in the future, I'll add it just future proofing. So then, public tracking method. Tracking method. And I want to default to mouse. So now gotta go back to easy save and reset these. So, well, because it's 2K version settings. Where's the application settings? There. Boop. All right. Now this should be saved. All right. That should be saved. I'm gonna need a couple things. I'm gonna need for some of the UI, I guess, to change that. Inside general settings. I want a list, a drop down. In there. No need for that title. And no need for that title either. Okay, what other menu can I add there? Because I think I have multiple settings I can add in general. I've got the webcam settings that can't really be changed. I'm just gonna keep that, I guess, for now. And that drop down, I want multiple items. I don't want none. Look at mouse tracker. And that modifies this. Takes me to desk. I want to add another one. But for general. There we go. Quick general settings. So how did they make that skip on top here? Drop down. I guess I can copy the whole thing. But yeah. Alright. So don't need that. I can use these here, of course. I don't need that, I said. Got that. I don't need a slider for now. Rename to drop down. Tracking method. Okay. Yeah. That pretty much loads it. From general application settings, I'm pretty sure. I think it's app that put it in. Yeah, tracking method. For audit monitor, I'm gonna have to call this, like that's gonna be the function I'm gonna have to call to actually update the tracking method. Not the settings, I want app settings. Not this. Application settings dot track method. There. So now this can be set and loaded. This. Okay. Let's see how that looks. So general, right now it's set to none. Maybe set to look at mouse. Goodbye. Go back in. Still set to none. Well then. Did the notepad change? It did. It did change. Uh-huh.
I guess I'm just gonna go. I'm feeling a bit tired. I'll just let Sarah take over with you here.
Right. Well, if anyone wants to join the VC, yes. Well, have a good night, Blackout. Have a good rest.
You too. Night night.
Good night.
Night night.
Night.
Night. And also good night. Boop boop.
Night night.
Noink noink.
Anyway, so it did not work. Why? Because I never called this. That explains it. I need to actually modify the overlay for that. That explains it. Yeah. Drop down. No. Drop that. Yes. Our settings, I want general update. It's set to update monitor. Update tracking method. That should be the one. There you go. So that should potentially work. Hopefully it works. So background. No, not background. General. Okay, mouse. Pause. Add back in. None. Amazing. Just, great. That's what my jeans aren't working. What? Oh, right, it's VR and that explains it. Great. Where's the Sag? There it is. Great. It's not set tracker. Is it actually being called or what? Is it being called or is it not being called? I gotta save back method 2. So it is saved. But not loaded. Hey. Because right now it is clearly set to be 2. If I press play, pause, it's still set to 2. So it is set correctly. Like here, it's set correctly, but it's not loading. Huh. Excuse me. This is sus. I got a tracking method of exercising tracking method value. XD update. That start is not working. Drawdown tracking value equals GPS tracking method. I guess time to go check the script execution order. That's fine. What did I do differently here? Nothing. Hey, it's the same principle here as well. Is it being loaded or is it not being loaded? So I'll check for the other prints. Just to clean up the rest. Alright. Okay. Not such a reference. Oh. Okay, that explains it. Oh. Not such a reference in an object. Oh, you know what? That's because I'm dumb. I forgot to take that drop down and put it there. Dang it. And in the meantime, I guess I can go and save all of these so that there's no question on what's going on. So it saved properly, but it did not want to actually load it. That's great. Because I forgot to set the variable. Bang, there it is. Alright, good. But there it is. That took a while. If you figure out, geez, okay. I was dumb. And that explains it. Bird brain moment. Complete bird brain moment. But yeah, so now this setting is being loaded correctly. And now I need to make like some kind of delegate event. On setting update. Public static on setting update. Updated track king method. Alright. So I can do updated tracking method invoke. Like that. So any method that is linked to this will get called. And I can also pass an int ID or something. Or value. 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 There. I want to do the other loader. That's gonna require some tinkering, I think. So it's gonna be in the man, I have to do it in both. Oh dear. No. Oh no. Because I have the VRM version and the other one to actually tweak and everything. Oh dear. How would I do that? Actually, I can probably call a function after both of them to actually set up everything. So load your sync, I don't need that. Prepare load avatar, no need for that. So I might want a quick private void setup non-tracker, setup non-tracker tracking types, and I can call this after doing the load avatar. Here. Are those two the same? Those two are the same. Yeah, I can enable true reset. Huh. Okay then, well, what would happen if I do set up non-tracking types over here? And set up non-tracking types here. Louder that. Dang it. Louder. Louder. Wait. What? Wait, hold up. That doesn't cause it. Wait, what the heck? How does that not cause an error? Set up non-tracking types. Like, it's getting the avatar loader from a variable, but that function is private. How does that even work? How does that even work? Well, I won't complain. So set up non-tracker tracking types. So quickly, I want to on the currently loaded avatar. So the animator itself, game object dot add component. Oh crap! No, I changed my. Very good. I changed my mouse profile by accident. Go back to the top. Can you have things? Animator. I want to add another one. She just had 76 references. Holy shit. Public. And here I want to have. Mouse tracking. Look at actually. Yeah, no, that's right. Look at IK. Currently loaded. Mouse look at IK. And I will add it there. And in public, transform, mouse look at object. What are your private? I don't need that because I need to actually set it. So mouse got a key equals this dot object dot add component. Look at a key. So. How am I setting up the rest though? Okay, that's how I'm setting it, so right. Cool. So you're about one head. And I set that to null. The set changes its spine. Okay, so new. Actually, I can probably do like this. Vector dot get bone transform. I want the neck. Is chest required? Let me actually check. Is the chest required? Chest is not. Huh. A new transform, I guess. One. Like that. I can do like a quick like if I do that and also that. Gene will go neck, upper chest, and chest. Okay, so then this is gonna be an else if. Else if. Else. Yoink. 1, 2, 2. So if both of these are there, toggle this. It is only a chest. It is only an upper chest. So this one's gonna be chest. Yeah. And that one's gonna be upper chest. Alright. so mouse get object dot transform. There you go. Or just that. That works. Body weight 1, head weight 1, eye weight. That's voice 69. 0. Like the other one is set to 0, 0, right? So 0, 0, and then yeah, 0 there. And I'm gonna clamp the head of the weight of the head to like probably like 0.5 and then 0 here. Like that. Actually, I can do like clamp weight like 0 and then 0.5 F here. That should work. Potentially. If save manager dot okay. Actually, I can do like that way I can test if it exists. Okay, so that's the mouse tracking at least. Can do have the tracking method here. With the save manager dot app settings dot tracking method int method and put this as an int there. So now in there, if method equals 0, currently know that okay dot solver dot spine dot position weight equals is 0, and same with rotation weight. And the look at IQ dot solver dot position weight equals 0. And that should do it. Actually, I'll potentially do a switch here of method. Oh dear, what am I doing here? Switch method. Method. Case 0. There you go. Case 1. Let's set this to 1. And case 2. Like that. Alright, that should potentially do it. That should probably do it. Let's see. Overlay. Quickly have to add in other tracking method. What would that be? Tracker, no. Update, no. Awake. Ah, yeah, I can do it here. Settings general. Dot. Update tracking method. Plus equal update tracking method. Like that is gonna automatically pass the ID, which is sick. Minus there. So now the tracking method should get updated on the start. So what's the current method? It's number 2, so it's going to be the tracker method. So I expect to have the lookat added, but not active. Like this should still look normal. It does. And also error because I forgot to add the tracking object. Uh-huh. Alright, can I maybe take the mouse pad? I wonder. Could I copy this, paste it here? I wonder, would that work? In terms of tracking. Yeah, I only need like, let me check the script. Autoloader. I'm using it a bazillion times. I'm a Jew Republic rule. Get mouse position only equals false at the beginning. Blip. There. Ah, come on, me. So, yeah, if get mouse position only, then I do this. Draw a sphere, I guess. Vector center. Is that a wire sphere? Wire sphere. Vector center, that would be. Also, that composition. Alright. Alright. Now let me see. So yeah, now there the little mouse is. I can get that hand set up. Delete these here. And where are these? So left, right, left, right. Okay. All right. What's the difference between all these? Okay. Wait, it's different position. Ah, because it's planted. Okay, got it. There you go. So now I want to flip this, move this over there. Maybe here. Maybe times 3 or times like 10, or let's try times 5. Times 5. That way it has like quite the bit to move. What happens if I press play here? This seems to work pretty fine. The mouse is correctly picked up. Also, let me add another variable, I guess. Public float smooth. Range 0 to like 0.95 if. Like that. So that's to get position of the mouse, and I want to local position lerp the vector instead. Vector 3.lerp, not left, lerp. Mouse right dot position up to there. Smooth. Like that. So now it's gonna smooth out by default. The mouse. And right, remember I need to add in a delta time as well. There you go. Delta time fixes any, like, speed issues, like lag. Or most of them at least. Now this seems to move, but now the mouse here is broken. Okay, now this is broken here. Right. What did I say? Object nuts. Okay. What called it? What called it? Oh, the drop down. Oh. Okay, let me just... I'm gonna add this. I bet that's what's breaking the mouse as well. If this or this either, return. Right. Let's see if that fixes it. And then just quickly avatar. I want to add in the... Where is it? Mouse look at object. I want to add in target. There. All right. That hand setup, I'm gonna reduce the smoothing quite a bit smaller. Actually, no, I just realized it's supposed to be the other way around. So that one needs to be quite, like, high up. Let's play this and see how that works. Okay, so this is working. How is the mouse smoothing here? Okay, mouse smoothing is good, but now the mouse is completely broken here. No, that's false, so it should go in there. No, if not getting mouse position only. That explains the brokerage. Of that, yes, mouse position only, yes. And let's see if that still works without, like, completely breaking off. I'm gonna go a little bit over time tonight, but it happens. Okay, that works. Good. Nice, nice. So now the question is, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna check this. The avatar itself, see if the lookout is there. Yes, it is. With the neck and the chest. So that is fantastic. What will happen when I switch to the none or look at mouse? Let's see. Oh dear. Okay. Oh boy. I'm not sure that's how it's supposed to work. Beep boop, I'm robot. Okay. I wonder if this is the same with the other ones, is it? Well then, well, beep boop, I'm robot. Yes, I am robot. I don't think this is supposed to happen. So the lookout does work, which is nice. If I just do like none. Yeah, none just set it to like 0, nothing. So is that. Mouse, yeah, let's just say that it's not optimal. Let me check some settings here. Because that is not good. Oh dear. Problems. Mistakes were made. Body weight. It seems to be good. Let me just use my thingy. Okay, I need to lower that screen a lot, actually. The rest is good. So I'm thinking to maybe like put the body like 0.15, and that should do the trick. And also lower the whole thing. So 0.15 and lower this whole thing. This, and this. Lower it. And then over here, in the low there, body weight, 0.15. And that should be it. For like the basic settings. Nice. Okay, well that's good. I can look up, down, left, right. Like it looks at the mouse currently. That's nice. Nice and clean. I wonder what happens if I go over here and use this. Ah, it does work as well with those eyes. Nice. But I see the did this? Hold up, I think the order of the script's messed up again. That does not look right. Where's the look at IK in this list? Oh, it's there. You know why? It's probably because the other look at exists. What did I set for the other eyes? I set 0.69 here, nice. 0. 0.69, 0. And I'm also gonna do well, the other look at, which is gonna be I can't actually get it. Okay, this is a local variable. Well, then let me make it an actual variable here. Tracker look at. And replace it with tracker look at IQ. There. And I can duplicate this. Tracker look at IQ. Oop, nope. Eh. Place this down there. 1. Bam. Die. Now it should be able to work fine. With both tracking methods. Nope, it's even more broken now. What? Why does this happen? I know why, because those eyes really need to be on well then. Pretty sure this would need to be in the look at itself. Over here. I still don't move. What the heck? I remove everything. Eyes don't want to track. Ah, because I don't have them set. Yeah, explains it. I removed them. I said to no. New transform 2. Actually. How do I get the eyes here? Set on tracker types. Yeah. List, transform, eyes. And that needs to be to array. Okay. Might place it there. Eyes. If eyes.count is smaller or equal than 0, then do set up non-tracker types with null in place. Else, pass in this. Pass in those eyes. There. There's no giving. Ah. Did I still get those eyes? Yes, I still get those eyes. Good. So if eyes.count smaller or equal than 0. There. Okay. Else. So that's gonna be null. And that will pass in eyes. Let's see that in action and see how that goes. Still is kind of broken. Okay then. Are the eyes set up correctly though? They are. Huh. Probably yeah, the head is too much. So I need to like 0.75 the head or something. .75 the head. Got it. And I think that implementation will be working. So 0.75 the head. Or like 0.6. Honestly, I'll try 0.6. And maybe 0.1 the body. So that most of the work is done by the eyes. So later on, with this done, so that means people without trackers can use the webcam as well. Nice. So if I put like another avatar here. Oh, that one loaded with the tracker. Object not set to, okay. So there's an error that popped. Oh boy. I love errors. What line? Enemy gets the eyes. Eyes throw away. I know such an object. Which thing? Eyes. Oh, that's why. I need to check if it's null or not. Key. Okay. Get the key. There. Having that exclamation mark, it just says that eyes is a variable that's supposed to be like a list. But if it's not valid or does not exist, just say that's null and ignore everything after. So now it should load A-OK. Yay, there you go. So no eyes, no problem. Alright, so let me try other avatars too. Can you switch? What do you mean an avatar's already being loaded? What do you mean? What's the gesture? What do you mean an avatar's being loaded already? What? No, we started callback. What did that get triggered? An object. What? What did that? What? Okay, I'm also gonna do here. Settings or save manager. Save manager that avatar settings dot is VRM. If it is VRM, then do that. Yes. I can do that for all of them. There. And there. There. And also blink, I guess I could do that. Because it uses VRM. Okay, so that should not cause any errors, because only VRM can use these. Like, these specific ones, it's VRM related, so... we're going to keep that on, like that. And let's see. No, first exception. Can I still not load? What the heck is going on? What the heck? Can I just set it to just go nothing? No. We could look at key. I mean, I guess I should test if it doesn't exist or not. I guess that's a problem. Huh. Maybe this then? Yeah, that works. Okay, well then. That's sure, because I do need to test it then, yeah.
No joke. They were unkillable.
You're rated. Hey, Floofy. Hey, Floofy. Rock Rodan, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the birds. Thank you for the raid. I mean, and more towards the end stream, so that's a bit unfortunate. But yeah, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How was your stream, Floofy? Hopefully it was good. I hope it was good. I would like to wasn't. I guess someone found my my favorite. My favorite thing. Yes, I had regular hide, but that's the first one in the stream, I think. Thank God, you. So, for raiders, for those who don't know, I'm gonna quickly present myself before trying to finish my bug fixing here. I am Mike the Bird. I make stuff. I am a game dev that does everything himself. So, when it comes to the code, when it comes to the models, the animations, textures, music, sound effects, you name it. Even down to some of the fonts, I make that. So, yeah, if you're interested into that kind of stuff, feel free to follow, subscribe, and follow my things. And I have multiple stream series actually. The one on Tuesdays is me making a brand new VTubing webcam, which is the code you saw there beforehand when you just arrived. On Mondays, I have a series called Avatar Mondays, where I make an avatar live on stream, and that avatar being the Avigen, which is right now my current avatar project. It's a proto bird, pretty much proto gen but bird, and it's gonna be put on Gumroad or itch.io depending on the platform I choose, for sale. And yeah, Avatar Mondays I make those. On Sundays I just create whatever I want, and on Fridays it's my gaming stream. So this is why I game. So yeah, loads of stuff. Thank you, Floofy. Yeah, I'm gonna have a good end of stream, yes. And right now I was fixing some errors in my webcam, which happened earlier. What was I fixing, actually? Ah, yeah, the nulls here. Right. I need to check right this bit here again. There. Well, that's a lot of things. I guess I can do this. Like if it is set to this, or else, oh dear lord. Else. And yes, I noticed the extra hydrates. Let me just take those. Thank you for the reminders. And I guess I can do this. But still, it should not, actually no, this bit, like, is safe, I think. No, it is not safe. Is it safe? It is not. Is it safe? No, it is safe. That bit is safe. But wait, no, these... Okay, I'm confused. Wait, what's the errors that's happening here? Let me check. Oh boy. And on maximize, on play. Let me check. What is going on here? That's loading. So this loads fine. Because the eyes are there. Let me load one without eyes. and that looks fine. Also, by the way, you see it as that right now. Like, hello. I just move around like that. But actually, it's more than that. It's not just like a regular webcam. It actually uses trackers as well. Like, I've got my tracker on my head right now. Which is way more precise than just a webcam. And I'm currently implementing options to have, like, no tracking at all, just like the mouse. Or have, like, mouse available as well. And I'm getting issues with loading some of those avatars, like this one. Let me boot up with this one. And see if the error appears again. If not, I'm gonna have to call the stream really soon. Okay. So that seems to work. Well, small avatars have a bit of an extra problem, but that can be overlooked, but a little bit because we are just gonna be using bigger ones. Burp. And yeah, the webcam is kind of sick because like it uses tracker. Right now, I'm just using the default like mouse thing. But yeah, let me just put it on tracker mode, so that way it's my actual head with actual mouse, everything. It's good. Okay, yeah, that's working quite well. I have this, so I think the next step, like one final step I'd want to add before actually calling I should be ready. If I pop quick my VRM one, because I've got my own avatar system in there, VRA, but it's not ready, so it's gonna be VRM first. And it still works exactly the same, like either tracker or you want to have just a mouse as well. If you don't have a tracker on your head. And the tracker can all be calibrated in the calibration menu. But you can also have like a free cam as well. Which I think the next step would be to implement like some kind of preset buttons. And once that's done, probably a tutorial. And after that, it should be ready for, well, prime time. Where's the button? Wait, that's not a button. Oh wait, it's VRM, right? It's not my actual. But yeah, this is good progress so far. Like, finished up the net, fixed the loading default backgrounds, because there's gonna be also custom backgrounds and custom desks, but that's gonna be with my VRA system, which is not ready yet. That's why I implemented default backgrounds here. And maybe more in the future. And you can also select green screen mode, including fully transparent, which is sick. But yeah, so the backgrounds are not going to be custom for now. It's going to be default ones. The colors, the custom color is not working for now. VRMs work, and the new system works as well, but of course, since it's like VRA, it's not ready. Only VRM is gonna be like available for now. Yeah, most things are pretty much ready, I think. Like, today finished up, fixed the loading background bug for the like custom backgrounds, fixed the blinking, and added as well the mouse thing. So this is like amazing progress. Very good progress so far, I feel. Extra fluff! Hi there! But yeah, next episode on the next Tuesday, I feel like I'm gonna do the camera presets. I think that's gonna be the most important bit. And I think the music playlist listened to me, and just because it's the end of the stream, so yeah, very good progress so far. And yeah, if you wish to continue seeing me like work on this, like I only work on this on stream. I never worked on it off stream so far. So yeah, it's always on stream. But if you want to see me work on some of my other projects, like the Avigen, of course, so my little big boy right there, yeah, feel free to check my other series out on my Twitter and join my Discord too, because why not? I have all of these available. But for now, let's go see who to raid. Cause yeah, amazing progress. I'm super happy with it. Yeah, it's going so well. Let's see who is there. Okay, not really anyone actually on my end. Okay then. You know what? Let's go say hi to Hero Corgi. Playing some Apex. Yeah. Potion Bean. So yeah, we'll I guess see you all on Friday, which is special because I'm gonna be playing some very random games off of like loads of games I have in my library that I need to still play. Like 1,000+ games. So yeah, join me on there while I play some random games, like completely random. I don't know what's gonna pop. So yeah, see you all on Friday for some gaming at 7 p.m. EST. See everyone.